friends, how are you? I'm feeling awesome. Come on, let's visit the vegetable garden near my house. This is the olive tree, and you could see bunches of green olives all over the tree. So the green olives turn to purple and black ones as they ripe. In ancient Greece, the olive branch symbolized peace and goodwill. You know, the resolution of Olympic Games is building a peaceful and better world through sport and the Olympic ideal. These flowering plants are planted in between the vegetable plants to aid in better pollination and bug control. It's just perfect. Wow, what an assortment varieties of eggplants. The round one, the long one, all purple. The green chilies are an integral part of cooking in many countries like Mexico, India, Africa, and most of all Asian countries. The ripened chilies turn to red color, tasting less spicier than the green ones. The smaller variety of chilies, like this one, always taste very spicy. It's very sharp and very spicy. The bitter gourd or the bitter melon is a specialty back in India. People just love the bitter gourd fry and the bitter gourd fry. They locally call it as Karela fry or Pavaka fry. Actually, bitter melon has several chemicals that seem to act like insulin and help to lower blood sugar levels. The bitter melon ripens to red color with numerous seeds inside. The okra, or the famous lady's finger, again is a delicacy back in India. Okra contains polyphenols that contribute to heart and brain health. My mom always said that if I eat okra, then I can be brainy and do math better. I love you, Mommy. The tulsi is so aromatic. Come, let's see the red tomatoes. Nothing can beat the beauty and the flavor of these humble tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Here comes the squash. These long and slender ones are called summer squash. It's delicious, just like cucumbers. Psalm 67:6. The land yields its harvest. God, our God, blesses us. Around evening, we went for a stroll in our neighborhood. It's only beginning of October, but some of our neighbors are already geared up for Halloween. kids are super excited for seeing the trick or treat. It's almost October, and that means Halloween, which basically means Thanksgiving. Then that basically means Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone! Thanks for watching!